Hello guys, welcome back to our video on our channel. So today I'm going to teach you guys how to install a SSD on your laptop. It is how to fast your laptop without removing your hard disk. So let's do not late and let's begin with the intro. And also don't forget to hit the like button and share the video and also subscribe. Installation process. I'll tell you what are the parts you need. You need a HDD caddy which has some 4 screws and a screwdriver which you are gonna use for placing your SSD and place it in your laptop. And our next part below is the SSD. I'm having a 480 GB SSD. It is available in various shopping portals at like Amazon, Flipkart and many more. And it has different variants such as 120 GB, 240 GB and a 960 GB variant. You can buy it according to your convenience. So our next part is screwdriver, and I have some 2 cups for placing my screws and our laptop. For removing our DVD drive, we need to first switch on our laptop. After we switch on our laptop, we should just remove our DVD drive. As you can see, it has come out. So now just close it up. And don't forget to remove this out. And also don't close it. Now turn your laptop beside and keep it like this. And now you should take the screw out which is aligned center from the DVD drive. Just remove it. And also don't lose it because it's very important for your DVD drive and installation of your SSD. And you just pull it out like this so it comes out. You can see this is our DVD drive which is present inside our laptop. And now we should remove this one which is very important for your laptop. Otherwise our SSD looks bad while we place it. There is a clip present over here, as you can see. We should just unclip it. So you can see I've unclipped it so it came out. Just keep it aside. And now you should take this part, this one, by removing this screw. So I'm gonna remove it. So like this it came out, as you can see. Now we'll keep these things also aside in our cup and place it properly. And now this is of no need, so I'll keep it aside. Now we'll take our caddy which we got. So in the caddy we get a screwdriver, so I'll keep it aside, I don't need it. And some 4 screws. Some 4 screws we get. We'll just place it at a place properly. And next we'll take our SSD out. So this is our SSD. I've got the WD Green SSD. So this is the warranty card. And this is our SSD. So guys, now we'll keep our laptop aside and then take our caddy and remove it first. Then take our SSD and align it like this with this clip in this one, as you can see. And don't align it improperly, otherwise it may malfunction or it may don't work. So it's fixed now. Now take some 4 screws which you got with your caddy and just install them. And also don't go in a straight pattern, go in a zigzag pattern. So guys, as you can see, now I placed my SSD successfully in my caddy, and also make sure that it does not move. As you can see, it doesn't move. So it's now perfectly installed. Now the next step is to install that clip in your caddy which you got out of your laptop's CD drive. So should just align it, this clip, in your first hole and the screw in the second one. So guys, as you can see, now I've placed this clip successfully. Now what we should do is to take our laptop, so I've taken my laptop. Now we should take our SSD and just align our caddy with the laptop and push it inside like this. So it's done now. Now we should take the screw and screw it on the laptop. So guys, now we have successfully finished our installation of the SSD onto our laptop. Now we should just open our laptop. So guys, as you can see that we have finished our installation of SSD on our laptop and we have successfully booted our laptop. So now what we should do is to do disk management, which you can get from all over YouTube by searching how to do disk management. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope you liked the video. If you like the video, like the video and share the video, and also subscribe to the channel. So guys, goodbye, take care.